Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study dance at home, easy method. Begin by creating a safe, clear space and set a realistic schedule. Warm up for 5 to 10 minutes before each session and focus on one skill at a time. Use short drills, record yourself, and compare takes for steady improvement. Keep sessions consistent and kind to your body to build lasting progress and confidence. Create a simple structure that supports skill gain and motivation. Start with a gentle warm-up to wake your joints and muscles, then choose drills targeting one specific move. Spend focused time on choreography and finish with a cool-down to reduce soreness. Record short clips periodically to track progress and adjust goals. Consistent short sessions beat irregular long ones, and variety keeps practice fresh and effective for steady growth. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money, and it pairs nicely with planning dance goals and budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use simple tools to accelerate learning and refine technique efficiently. Record video from 2 angles when possible to catch alignment and timing issues you might miss live. Practice with a metronome or beat forward, tracks to lock rhythm and tempo. Share clips with a trusted teacher or online group for targeted feedback. Small focused adjustments compound over time, so prioritize clear cues and consistent review for faster improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.